Coming at you from Cleveland Pound Performance with a 1967 Dodge Polara, RESTOMOD or Restore. Runs and lot drives, as you can see. Starts and stops, does all that good stuff. Pulling her forward. Now let's back her up. Beautiful convertible, solid body, great candidate for just about anything you want to do. All right, and we'll take a walk around her. Take a look at the inside here. All right, make sure to look in our listing for all the pictures and other information on this car. And we have a power top on the Polara, which is fully functional with the touch of a button, hit of a switch, top goes up. You know, you go ahead and you latch her down and flip the switch back and she lays down. No binding, no spewing of hydraulic fluid. Everything works as it should with this convertible top.